Wellaray Slim Coffee Booster is marketed as a coffee supplement that claims to boost metabolism, burn fat, and help you lose weight with minimal effort. The ads can make it sound like adding 1 scoop to your morning coffee is all you need, but the real question is, does it really help you lose weight? Now, to be fair, some weight loss supplements contain ingredients that may have modest effects on metabolism or appetite. However, those effects are typically small and vary from person to person. What it does well: easy to add to your routine. It can be mixed into your daily coffee without much effort. May provide an energy boost. If it contains caffeine or similar ingredients, it may help you feel more alert. Where the hype falls apart: it won't melt fat on its own. This is the biggest issue. No coffee additive can replace a calorie deficit, regular exercise, and healthy eating. Weight loss results vary widely. Age, diet, activity level, and overall health have a much bigger impact. Marketing often exaggerates the benefits. Claims of rapid or effortless fat loss should be viewed with caution. So, does Wellaray Slim Coffee Booster really help you lose weight? Short answer: probably not by itself. It may provide a small boost depending on its ingredients, but there is no strong evidence that it can produce significant weight loss without lifestyle changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.